Monitoring user activity in Django. I am creating a book app where users can sign up and start reading. This is the model.py for the book. How can I monitor each user's progress such that when a subsection/subchapter/chapter is viewed/read, that model instance's completed attribute is set to true just for that user? My current implementation sets completed to true for everyone. I would appreciate code snippets demonstrating how you might implement it.
If you want to monitor the reading progress for every user, you can't have the completed fields on the chapter, subchapter and subsection models. You need a new one related to the user. I would do something like this. If you have different books, you should add foreign keys to the book model as well. Then in the views that fetch the chapters, sections and so on, you can get the reading progress object for the specific user and book, and set the corresponding values.
If you want to see more, прежде чем себе subscribing.